Whether you are a filmmaker or a photographer or just someone who loves technology, drones have transformed the way we see and interact with the world around us. Here are some top 5 drones you'll get under 10,000. On number 5 is Sote Garuda drone. You'll get this for 10,899 rupees. This is a battery foldable dual camera. It has 120 wide angle camera and 1600 mAh battery. The flying time for this drone is 30 minutes and the height goes up to 50 meters long. On number 4 is Sote Garuda and this is for 9,999 rupees. This drone avoids obstacles on the go and this is a dual camera drone. The flying range of this drone is up to 150 to 200 feet long and the flight time of this drone is only for 15 minutes. On number 3 is CS9 RC Drone. The price of this drone is only 5,990 rupees. It has a 4K HD professional camera with optical flow positioning and removes any obstacle from the way. On number 2 is Super Toy Drone and this is for kids and adults. You'll get this drone for 6,499 rupees. It has a dual and 4K HD professional camera and it also has a selfie gesture mode. Next is Villa drone and this has a HD camera and you'll get this drone for 7,490 rupees only. It is a foldable drone and 120 wide angle camera. The flying height of this drone is up to 50 meters long and it has a 30-minute flying time. For more such interesting videos, follow Desidime.